Hello everyone. Today we will be learning how we can make pricing elasticity model calculator just with the help of AI tools without writing even a single line of code on our own. So basically, AI pricing elasticity model will be a tool which will be helping us to know what our product price should be in comparison to the competitor price so that we can sustain in the market and also grow gradually. In the language option, we have given two options, but that is English and Hindi. I will be choosing English as I am much comfortable with it. And for the currency, I will be choosing Indian rupees. Let us take an example of a sunscreen brand of India. Suppose the price is 600 of that particular product. I will say the demand sensitivity of that particular product is moderately sensitivity. Demand sensitivity refers to the change in the demand of that particular products because of the change in the price of that particular product, right? So I will be saying there is not much change in that product. Economic condition score refers to the how the economy is performing. As I'm talking about the Indian economy, I will be choosing strong economy, and the customer response factor I will be choosing a neutral. That is, customers are not very much loyal for the product. As particularly this is a cosmetic product, customers keep on trying different products until or unless they find the best suiting product for their skin type. So then click on the optimal price and you can get your optimal price 792. Suppose I change the strong economy to the bad economy, that the condition of the economy is very bad, and then I will calculate. It is giving 462, that is approximately 350 rupees less than the previous optimal price. So today we will be learning how we can create this. First of all, I will be using ChatGPT. So I will be asking ChatGPT, hi GPT, how are you? The basic reason of asking GPT like this is we need to treat GPTs or the AI tools just like a human being to get a much better response from them. So basically the prompt whisperer tool we will be also using over here. The reason is we can get to know a much better prompt with the help of prompt whisperer, as it will be giving a detailed prompt for our simple prompt, right? So as I have already copied the prompt from the prompt whisperer, I will be directly pasting it. I over here I have written GPT, can you please make an HTML code for AI based pricing, and I've given the components which are required in that tool. Particularly, I am asking for the HTML code because it is much easier for me to execute it. You can ask for C++, C or Java or Python or any other language which you prefer. The GPT will help me to write the code. It will be providing me with the code in few minutes. Kindly do not interrupt the GPT while it is giving us the code or the response, as if we keep on writing in between, it will create a trouble and it will make the GPT or the AI tool confused. Just treat like as a human being, let it finish first, then give the another thing. So yeah, over here it has given me the code. I will be just copying it, going to my notepad, and I will be simply pasting it. Thereafter, I will be saving it. Suppose I will give it my name, and in the end I will be writing HTML, right? Then I will just save it. Yes. So it has been saved now. I will be opening it to show you how it will be looking like. Okay, just wait a second. So over here it was my code. So you can see it has given me a very basic model for that calculator. English, Hindi it is giving me. Though it is not changing, I need to ask the GPT again and again to make it a much better thing, right? Again, I will be copying my prompt from my notepad as I have already it. So over here, I have copied the cost basically for the UI and the looks of my calculator. I will be changing the language and the currency base accordingly afterwards. One by one, I will be doing each and every task so that AI or the GPT will be able to do it in a much better way for me. Okay, so I have given the instruction. It will take few minutes and it will provide me the new code. So it has given me the things which I require. Now I will be asking for the code. It has starting analyzing the code and it will make the changes I require accordingly. I just need to wait and watch. So if you can see, the code length is increasing. Yeah, it has given me a code. I will just check it what kind of code it has given to me again. I have changed the code, then again I will be saving it. Save. Yes. Go towards it. I will be opening my HTML code again. And over here you can see it has made the few of the changes with the color and the UI as per the my requirements. I can make any changes as per my requirement. Now I will be asking for the currency. Let's just check it how it is performing, whether it is performing or not. Yeah, it is performing, right? So now I will be asking it to, hey GPT, the language of the headers are not getting changed according. So over here, I want the language to be changed according to my preferred language, because small business owners will also be using my this tool. So if they are not aware of the English language, they can easily use the tool by changing the language to Hindi. You can see in the code it has written over here. The code length has also increased now. So yeah, the code is ready with me. I'm just copying it, going to my notepad and again changing it. Then again I will be saving it. Yes. Let's open my HTML code again. Yeah, so over here you can see it is changing. It is not changing for the drop down box currently. I will put the code for it again, but at least here it is changing. And for here also it has changed. Now again I will be going to my GPT again. Hey GPT, I want to change the UI basically again. So I am having a code again for it, which I took from Prompt Whisperer. So we will be copying it over here, and then I will be simply pasting it in the ChatGPT, and then it will start giving me the response. Over here the basic response is for the changing of the UI, particularly for me. You can just see it has started changing the code accordingly. It is not changing the whole code, just changing few of the things which I require. Yeah, my code is ready with me now. I will be just simply copying it and then I will be pasting it. Then I have to save this again. Yes. So here you can see the few of the changes it has made now. Now it is changing for this as well. Now I want for the drop these things drop down box should be available, as small business owners cannot get to know about the numbers which they have to put over here. So for this thing I will be using Grok, as Grok is much powerful for providing me with this kind of thing. V for the demand sensitivity, economic condition and customer response factor. Give options, three options you need to give, three options in each drop down. I will be asking you not to change anything else in the code, or else it is possible that it will change few of the things. We will wait and we will see. Yeah, the code is ready with me. I will be just simply copying it, going to my notepad, pasting it. Right? You can see it has given the options. It basically depends upon you how you want to bring the changes. Suppose I will be keeping it as 600, medium, stable, and high customer response factor. It is giving the prices in the INR, and if I will be changing it to US dollar, it will be providing me the US dollar. So this is how you can make the pricing elasticity model or any other calculator or any other tool with the help of AI without even writing a single line of code. If I will compare it with my previous model, we can see there are a lot of changes, as a lot of efforts was given in this to make this UI. Basically the basic differences of the UI, you can see that is, it completely depends upon you what kind of UI you want for the your customers to attract, like, okay.